Good morning, dear. Today our lesson is called multiplying fractions. Number 1, multiply, then write the answer in the simplest form. Letter A, 15 times 3 over 5. Here is 15, a whole number, and 3 over 5 is a fraction. Can we make a whole times fraction? No, our lesson is called multiplying fractions, so we have to deal with fractions. So first step, we have to convert the 15 into a fraction. So put over 1, because we know any whole number, its denominator equals 1. So now 15 over 1 times 3 over 5. We have here two fractions. Now let's see the steps of multiplying fractions. Step number 1, simplify. So we have to simplify, and as we said before, simplify means divided. Here we have two methods to simplify. The first method is in the same fraction, up with down. Let's check here in the same fraction. 15 and 1, are they in the same table? No, so this is the simplest form. 3 and 5, are they in the same table? No, so this is the simplest form. Now let's check scissors. What is the meaning of scissors? 1 with 3. Do we have here common table between 1 and 3? No, so we can't make simplify. Now 5 and 15. Can we simplify 5 and 15? Yes, the unit digit here is 5. And in 15 the unit digit is 5. When we have the unit 0 or 5, so we will make divided by 5. So divide the two numbers by 5. 15 divided 5 equals 3, and 5 divided 5 equals 1. So now let's see the second step. Here multiply, up times up and down times down. So 3 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 1. 3 by 3 equals 9. 1 by 1 equals 1. Here we have the answer 9 over 1. Can we leave it in this form? No, we have to write it as a whole number equals 9, because 9 over 1 equals 9, and the answer must be in the simplest form. Letter B, 5 over 7 times 2 equals. Here we have 5 over 7 is a fraction, and 2 is a whole number, so we have to make it over 1 to be another fraction. Now let's make simplify. First, check in the same fraction, 5 and 7. Can we simplify this? No, we can't, because 5 and 7 are not in the same table. 2 and 1. Can we simplify 2 and 1? No, here is the simplest form. Now let's check scissors. 7 with 2. Here 7 and 2. Can we simplify this? No, we can't. They are not in the same table. 1 and 5. Can we make simplify? No. So now we will go to the second step, multiply. Up times up, down times down. So 5 multiply 2 over 7 multiply 1. 5 times 2 equals 10. 7 times 1 equals 7. So here we have improper fraction. 10 over 7. Big over small. Can we leave it in this form? No, simplest form means we have to simplify. So improper, we will convert it into mixed number. How can we convert it into mixed number? Here we will make divided. The number which is up, we will write it here down, which is 10, and the 7 out. So 10 divided 7 equals what? What is the closest number in table 7 to 10? We will make it times 1. So 1 times 7 equals 7. Now we will make minus. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now can we divide 3 divided 7? No, small divided big can't be. So here within W, D, N. W means a whole number, D denominator, N numerator. So now let's write here W whole, N numerator, D denominator. Here our mixed number. So the whole number is 1. So write it in the whole number, and denominator 7 down and numerator 3 up. So our fraction will be 1 and 3 over 7. Here is mixed number, and this is the simplest form. So our answer will be 1 and 3 over 7. Letter C, 3 over 4 times 1 over 2. First we have to simplify. Here I have in the same fraction 3 over 4. Here two consecutive numbers. So can we simplify them? No. 1 over 2. Can we simplify 1 over 2? No. Here is the simplest form. Now let's check scissors. 4 and 1. Can we make here simplifying 4 and 1? No. 2 and 3? we can't make simplify because they are not in the same table. So now we will make multiply, up times up, down times down. So 3 times 1 over 4 times 2. 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3. 4 times 2 equals 8. Here, can we make simplify to the answer? 3 over 8? No, this is the simplest form. There is no common table between 3 over 8. So we will leave it like this. Now, letter D, 3 over 8 times 7 over 9. Here we have two fractions, so let's make simplifying. In the first fraction we have 3 over 8. Ask myself, can I simplify 3 and 8? No, because they are not in the same table. Now the second fraction, 7 over 9. Can we simplify 7 and 9? No, because they are not in the same table, so we can't make simplify. Now let's make scissors. 8 and 7. Are they in the same table? No, they are two consecutive numbers, so we can't make simplify. And now 9 and 3. Can we simplify them? Yes, both of them are in table 3, so we will make divided 3 divided 3. So 3 divided 3 equals 1 and 9 divided 3 equals 3. Now the second step, up by up, down by down. So 1 by 7 and 8 by 3. 1 times 7 equals 7. 8 times 3 equals 24. So our answer is 7 over 24. We can leave it in this form? Yes, we have to leave it in the simplest form. And 7 over 24 are not in the same table. So this is the simplest form. Now in letter E, 2.5 times 8 over 9. Here we have 2.5 is a mixed number. 8 over 9 is a fraction. Can we deal with mixed number times fraction? No, we can't, because here our lesson is called multiplying fractions. So we have to multiply fraction times fraction. So we will convert the mixed number into a fraction. How can we do this? Using by plus. 2 by 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the fraction will be 5 over 2 times 8 over 9 as it is. Now let's make simplifying. 5 and 2, are they in the same table? No, they are not in the same table, so we can't make simplify. 8 and 9, are they in the same table? No, they are not in the same table, so we can't make simplify. Now let's check scissors. 2 and 8, are they in the same table? Yes, we have here 2 is an even number, 8 an even number, so we can make divided by 2. All the even numbers divided by 2. So 2 divided 2 equals 1. 8 divided 2 equals 4. Now 5 and 9. Can we simplify 5 with 9? No, we can't, because they are not in the same table. Now let's make up by up, down by down. So 5 times 4 over 1 times 9. 5 by 4 equals 20. 1 by 9 equals 9. So the answer will be 20 over 9. Can we leave the answer in as improper fraction? No, we have to convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Let's make our draft. Here 20 over 9. To convert it into improper fraction, we have to make divided. So 20 divided 9. 20 divided 9 equals 2. So 2 times 9 equals 18. Now let's make minus. 20 minus 18 equals 2. Here we have our remainder is 2. So now put W, D, N. W means whole number. D means denominator. N means numerator. And here W, N, D, our mixed number. Now let's put the numbers instead of the letters. Instead of W, put 2. Instead of D, put 9. Instead of N, put 2. So our answer will be 2 and 2 over 9 as a mixed number. Now letter F, 5 and 1 over 4 times 3 and 1 over 3. Here 5 and 1 over 4 is mixed number, and 3 and 1 over 3 is another mixed number. And as we said before, we can't deal with the mixed numbers, so we will convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. The first one, 5 and 1 over 4. Let's make by plus. 5 by 4 equals 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. So the fraction will be 21 over 4. And 3 and 1 over 3, the second fraction. Let's make by plus. 3 by 3 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So it will be times 10 over 3. So now we convert the two mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now we have two fractions. Yes, can we multiply them? Yes, let's make simplifying now. In the same fraction, the first fraction 21 over 4. 21 and 4, are they in the same table? No, so we can't make simplify. In the second fraction, 10 and 3. Can we simplify 10 and 3? No, they are not in the same table. Now let's make scissors. 4 and 10. Can we simplify 4 and 10? Yes, both of them are even numbers. As we said before, any even numbers we will make divided 2. So divided 2, divided 2. 4 divided 2 equals 2. 10 divided 2 equals 5. So here 2 and up 5. Now 3 and 21. Are they in the same table? Yes, table 3. So we will make divided 3 divided 3. 21 divided 3 equals 7. And 3 divided 3 equals 1. Now let's make up by up, down by down. 7 by 5 over 2 times 1. It will be 35 over 2. 35 over 2 here is an improper fraction. As we said before, can we leave the answer improper fraction? No, we have to convert it into mixed number. How can we convert it into mixed number? We will make divided. So 35 divided by 2. Here, let's start. 3 divided 2 equals 1. So 1 by 2 equals 2. Then make minus. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now drop down the 5. So it will be 15. Now 15 divided 2 equals 7, the closest number. So 7 times 2 equals 14. Now 15 minus 14 equals 1. Now put W, D, N. W is a whole number. N numerator. D denominator. Now let's put the numbers instead of the letters. 17 instead of the W, and 2 instead of D, and 1 instead of N. So our answer will be 17 and 1 over 2. So the final answer will be 17 and 1 over 2 as a mixed number. Thank you.